Welcome to another video included in the STEM courses for teachers in primary levels. These belong to the project STEM in Action. In this video, we're going to talk about where the Fibonacci sequence can be found in art and nature. The sequence can be depicted with the help of squares and rectangles, as we could see in the last video. The squares are added by a line similar to a spiral or snail. The line crosses the squares diagonally and bent outwards. This depiction can be combined to larger images. In this example, the Fibonacci spiral uses colors to create the sequence visually, which is done often in art. In nature, the Fibonacci sequence can be found in flowers. This image, for example, shows a sunflower in which the inner seeds follow the Fibonacci sequence. Looking at it very closely, you can see how the seeds are placed neatly next to each other and get bigger as the spiral moves towards the edge of the flower. Same goes for the photograph of this Romanesco. Similar to this plant. In the next video, we're going to look at how a picture can be created with the help of the Fibonacci sequence. Thank you for your interest in STEM in Action, and see you in the next video.